Hello everybody, this is my Arduino circuit, which will direct my collector cleanup robot to a specific location and then move around that location until it reaches 300 centimeters or 3 meters away from the starting point, and then it will stop. Unfortunately, the distance sensor in Arduino caps at 400 meters, so I cannot show the original 609.6 meters from my written diagram. My circuit uses an ultrasonic distance sensor, two hobby gear motors, a left and a right, an Arduino circuit, a breadboard, a 9-volt battery, and an L29 3D motor driver. My code will start by listing the constants throughout the code. The ultrasonic distance sensor is connected to the Arduino through the trig pin to Arduino 9 and echo pin to Arduino 10. The trig pin will send out a signal and the echo pin will receive it, telling you just how far away a point is. My left gear motor is connected to the L29 3D through pins 3 and 6, and my right gear motor is connected through pins 11 and 14. The constant float will ensure that my target distance is 300 meters away from the original point. All of my motor pins are going to be set to outputs, so that way we can control them. The trig pin is set to output since it is sending out a signal, and the echo pin is set to input since we are receiving the signal. After the signal has been received, the movement portion begins. The distance is read by float read distance, calculating the distance away from the original location. The trig pin goes high to send a signal out for the echo pin to receive, which is also high. The void move in circles turns the left motor on completely, and it will turn the right motor on slowly to begin moving in circles as the right motor is slowly increased to expand the circular path. Then both motors are set to low to stop the robot. Distance is then checked with the void loop function to ensure the minimum is met. If the distance is met, the robot stops. If not, it will continue to move in the circles, check the distance, and repeat until the minimum is met. I'll go ahead now and simulate the circuit so we can see how it works. I have attached a LED light on the left so you can see when the motor receives power. When the LED is lit, the motor is moving. If at any point the minimum has been met, the LED will turn off and the program stops. Here you can see when I move the distance sensor outside of that green box, the LED turns off and the program is stopped in the serial monitor in the bottom. I'll go ahead now and I'll scroll through the code for anyone who wants to have a more in-depth look. My plan in the future is to add further additions to the circuit to account for the team mechanisms that must be present to receive and send signals to the navigator coordination robot and the maintenance support robot. So this could be for the oil sponge refills or the signal location identification for my next deliverable. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helps any future Arduino coders with their engineering projects.